Good morning, everybody. This is Callie with Jemminz. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So glad you could join me today. We are going to have some fun. We are going to open up 10 more pearls for our pearl bath bombs. And I've been going back and forth. I've been wanting to create a bath bomb pearl, a pearl bath bomb that was just a bath bomb pearl and put a price point to it. And then I thought, well, I have regular bath bombs too, and I thought, you know what? I'm just going to I'm going to make this simple. When you order your bath bomb, you are going to get a surprise pearl in it. Flat out. So all of my bath bombs are going to have pearls in them. And they're going to be price pointed at $10 a piece. We're going to make it really simple price point. And doesn't matter what your bath bomb is that you order, you're going to find a pearl in it. So it's going to be really fun. All right, so we have different colors here. Different shapes here. Now, just so you know, they're going to be labeled on the website as pearl bath bombs. So if it doesn't have pearl on it, does not have a pearl in it, because I do have some old stock that we're trying to go through, and I will make sure that the new stuff that is being made for you guys will have the pearl in it. So make sure you check out the pearl bath bomb. Okay, that's the one you want. So we'll make that really easy. They're price pointed at $10 a piece, and they will have essential oils in them or fragrance oils. It'll be labeled which one, and we will have a pearl in each one. So keep a watch for that one. All right, off my soapbox, let's open 10 more pearls. We got our bucket here. I'm going to turn the camera down here so you guys can see. There you go. Turn that. My camera's not working with me this morning. Here we go. All right, so we're going to mix these up. These are 10 little pearls. Excuse me. A little bit of a congestion today. Our weather's a little off. We're supposed to be in the 90s this next week. Oh, it's going to be a hot week. And it's going to be a lot of fun. All right. So if you haven't been watching my other videos, go and watch them. I talk a whole lot about the pearls. My freshwater pearls are still not in yet. I'm hoping they're going to get here. Or not freshwater, saltwater pearls. I'm hoping they'll get here sometime this week. There you go. There's a little one. Little pearl, little one there. It happens. And so let's get this measurement here. So anyway, those pearls are still on their way. I was a little disappointed. I thought for sure they'd be here by now. They're not. Oops, let's get that situated. Oh, I may have to measure this one on the short side. Okay, so on the short side, it is not cooperating with me. Hold on. All right, let's just nail this sucker. Okay, 8.18 on the short side. And let's see what it is on the long side, because this is, if it'll cooperate with me. It's got a weird, okay, let me see if I just hold it. Maybe I can get it in there. Ah, it does not want to cooperate. Okay, so let me go to the map. Let's see. Sometimes they just don't want to cooperate. Okay, so all right, well, before it dropped out, it measured at 10. So it's around 10. We'll leave it at that, because this one just doesn't want to go in the container. And it's got a little bit of a pink color to it, so it's really pretty. I'll scoot this down so you can see. Isn't that pretty? A little bit of a pink shade to it. Pinkish pink. Let's open up this little one. I love these little ones, because these sometimes... I opened up one before, and it had this really pretty... Oh, there it goes. Nothing in there. No twin. Okay. Seems like the last couple batches I haven't gotten any twins, but that's okay. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes it, you get that. Let's see what this is. That one measured 9.63. It may pop up a little bit there. So there's another one. Pretty white one. Not quite there yet. All right. So here we go. So if you want pearls in your bath bombs, you got them, because we've got them. And if you don't want pearls in your bath bombs, well, you're going to get them anyway. Remember as a kid, but I don't want a pearl, Mom. Just kidding. Just kidding. It's always good to remember our childhood when we grow up. All right, so this one's 9.29. Pretty white one. Not too off. I'm going to put my glasses back on so I can see. Yep, that one's a really pretty white one. All right, so let's open a kind of a sort of a big one. Randomly took them out of my bucket that I just got in, so not sure what's what here. There it goes. Keep moving that around. There's that pearl. Ooh, this one's kind of a peachy color. Nothing, no more in that one. One's kind of a pinkish peach. It's really funny how they sit in the sand here and they kind of color themselves up a little bit. 9.27. There you go. And like I said, I'm measuring them on the long side, but let me show you what they are on the short side, because they're really, really big fat ones. So that one's 8.07 on the fat side. So these are pretty good sized freshwater pearls. We'll put that one there in the middle. Yeah, it's a pretty peachy one. 6, 7, 8. Wait, do I only have 8? I thought I pulled out 10. 4, 8, 9, 10. All right, so let me get 2 more here. 9. Could have swore I pulled out 10. I guess I didn't. Ugh. All right, so we added 2 more. So let's just open this one because this one's partially open anyway. On the other side there. Ugh. There it is. Okay, anything in there? No, it's just a lot of fat. A lot of meat. Sometimes there's oysters in the meat, but I haven't been finding them lately in these. This batch didn't have any. It doesn't have any doubles, which is really unusual, but that's okay. We will definitely see if we can find some later on down the road. And like I said, I have already created some doubles. They're in the bag there. I'll show you here in just a second. Okay, that one is 9.59 on the long side. On the short side, this one is, get that measurement here. It's not going to stay in there. It's ring. I'm going to keep it in my hand here. It's 731. So 7 on the short side there. So there you go. I'll turn that around so you guys can see. Really pretty pearls. All right. I love the color variation on these shells. I don't know if you can see that. Aren't these pretty? Here's another one. I mean, they're just beautiful shells. I love freshwater pearls. But I also love the other ones too. And the saltwater pearls are Akoya pearls, so they are coming. I was able to get them ordered. It takes about a month for me to get them in. So they are on their way. Now the Akoya pearls will be specific. They will be a little bit more expensive because they are more expensive for me to get. That's a kind of a little one here. Went from really, really big ones in my previous videos to really, really tiny ones. I don't know how I did that because the shells are almost all identical. Okay, so that one is an 8.89 on the short side. So there you go. Or on the long side, excuse me. So put that right there. All right, we'll just drop it there. We'll open up this really pretty one. I love the color. Look at the variation. That's a really pretty fall colored one. Getting really forceful here. Okay, so there's the pearl. We'll put that in there and I'll check to see. Yeah, there's definitely nothing in there. It felt like there was, but there's not. And sometimes the pearls will attach themselves to the shell of the pearl oyster. But I haven't had any of those recently. That one's a 10.06. May have jumped up there a little bit. There you go. This one's really tight. It closed itself back up again. Okay, come here. Oh. There it goes. Finally. All right, and as you can see in the mussel, it kind of sets itself in there. Sometimes they're in the center of this big mussel here, but there's none in there. Yeah, I can feel it. So there's just that little pearl there. But this is the mussel that I'm trying to break open, and it's really, really strong, and it's really hard to open. Let's get a new part of the towel. I should get a new towel. That's okay. Okay, there's that. Pretty white one. Okay, 9.70 on the long side. So there you go. Ooh, I can hear it in there. It's loose. All right. There's that pearl. Nothing inside. Look at that pretty shell in there. I'll pull this out so you can see it. There's always this, it's this really strong mussel here that's really hard to open up. And sometimes there's like this little, it helps keep itself closed. So look at that shell. Isn't that beautiful? I'll put that up there. And that's just, I'll see if I can wash that one off because that one's really pretty. But that's the shell inside that they come in. They're really beautiful, beautiful shells. I love pearls. I love the sea. I love being outside. It's really awesome. Okay, so this one's a small one too. This one's almost perfect. Not perfectly round, but close enough. 9.08. So I'll put that in there. And our last pearl. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in my hand. Can't count today. That's right. All right. Last pearl. Let's see what we're getting. I love these little ones. I've said it before. These sometimes have the best pearls in them. Oh, yeah, look. Oh, my gosh. That is our, in all the pearls. Let me clean it off for you real good. Wash my glove off there. Look at that pretty purple. It's a purplish pink. It's kind of like a, oh, I don't know. 10.85 on the long side. Isn't that beautiful? This is a big one too. That was a nice surprise to see that. And on the short side, it's 8.24. So that is a really beautiful pearl. Look at that. I'll put that in the middle there so you can see that beautiful purple. There you go. So there are our 10 pearls that we just opened up. These pearls will show up in your bath bombs when you order them. So definitely take a look at that and keep an eye on those. And here, I meant to pour that in there. Wipe this out. I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup. I didn't realize I had my bowl from my previous time in there. All right, so there you go. There's those pearls. Let's see if I can get this pulled up. All right, there you go. There's those pearls. Thank you guys for joining me. Those pearls will show up in your bath bombs when you order them. So whatever bath bomb you order, I will make it. I will put a pearl in it, or if they're already pre-made, there will be pearls in there. Make sure you look for the pearl bath bomb. If it doesn't have pearl on it, it does not have a pearl in it. So if it doesn't have pearl listed on the listing, it does not have a pearl in it because I'm still trying to blow out my old stock. So we'll be bringing in the new stock. And they're coming soon. So there you go. Let me give you one more show of those. Aren't those beautiful? So those are some new pearls coming in there along. We're going to add those to our big bag of pearls here. Which pearl will you get? Look at all those colors in there. And this is showing through a purple bag here. This is a purple butterfly bag I have them in. So there you go. My eyes are watering. It's allergy season. All right. Thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. All right. And you can reach out to me through my Facebook and through the website. So please go get those bath bombs. We also have other products on the website. So go check those out too. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.